Good morning. Today, I'll give you a brief explanation of the HMI and its benefits. The whole front dash panel consists of screens, which is unique to Honda, starting with 6-inch monitors on both ends for the side camera mirror system, with an 8.8-inch TFT display for driver information, and two 12.3-inch LCD touchscreens for applications. The two 12.3-inch screens are not just two independent screens, but can display together, for example, a wide wallpaper, which you can select here. Now let's connect the phone to the car and start wireless Apple CarPlay. We can now send the screen to the passenger side, who can select some music while I operate the navigation independently. So if I press the swap button, the screen will be swapped to the passenger side, who can now operate, and I can start on my side the navigation independently, setting a destination, for example, Valencia Airport, and the navigation will start guiding me. So while navigation is running, I can bring the Apple CarPlay screen on my side again in order to change music, for example, without losing sight to the navigation screen. Now I can start different apps on my side. For example, general settings. I can change the settings here, or I can start the AHA radio app, or I can, for example, select a different design for the clock. And if I need to look at navigation, I can bring the Navi screen again on my side with swapping the screens again. Now with the Recent button, I can quickly resume an overview of apps I've recently opened and can select from here. And the operation is just like on a smartphone, with swipe to search, flick to close, and tap to select. And with the navigation button, I can return to my navigation screen at any time with just one click. I can also open an app and immediately send the screen to the passenger side in one operation by flicking from the preset favorite list. For example, Apple CarPlay, I can send immediately to my passenger. There is a specific button for safety feature setting where I can deactivate or reactivate some of the driver assist systems. This button is only on the driver side and cannot be swapped screen to the passenger side to be sure that the driver is aware of any changes made at any time. So here I can deactivate road departure mitigation, or I can deactivate the parking sensors, but I can also reactivate them here on this menu. Okay, Honda. Can you find some nice restaurants nearby which are open at the moment?
Here are several restaurants with more than 3 stars sorted by rating that are open now. You can choose the restaurant by line number or filter results by genre.
How about Italian?
Okay, here are several Italian restaurants. You can choose the restaurant by line number or filter results by genre.
With free parking?
OK. Here are several Italian restaurants that have free parking. You can choose the restaurant by line number or filter results by genre.
And with Wi-Fi?
OK. Here are several Italian restaurants that provide free Wi-Fi. You can choose the restaurant by line number or filter results by genre.
I take number 3.
Here is Lambra Squarea. Would you like to set it as the destination?
Yes, please.
Setting Lambra Squarea, Cara del Conte Altia, 31, Valencia as the destination. Please drive to highlighted route.
Okay, Honda. Can you find a flower shop on my way to the restaurant?
Here are several florists along the route. You can set the destination by line number.
I'll take number 2.
Here is Rosa. Would you like to set Rosa, Cara di Salamanca, 40, Valencia as the destination or the waypoint?
Waypoint.
Setting Rosa, Cara di Salamanca, 40, Valencia as the waypoint. Please drive to highlighted route.
Well, I hope I could give you a brief overview, and now enjoy your drive.